Hey everyone, in the last video, we successfully trained our AI model. Now it's time to run inference. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to take a trained AI model and use it to make real-world predictions. We are going to be setting up a dedicated inference flow that can be later deployed as live API. So let's get started. I'm going to start a new flow right here, and I'm going to head over to the node library. We need a 4-node pipeline. So we're going to select the 4 nodes that we require. First is select artifact. The second is API input. The third one is use AI model. And the last one is preview output. Now we are going to rearrange them on the canvas like this. And connect them like this. This pipeline right here tells aicuflow to take this model, accept the data, and run calculations. So I'll head over to select artifacts first, click on load artifacts. You'll see these options. You have to select all of them and save selection. Now click on API input, where you come across the schema section where you can define the types and the properties of the expected data. I'm going to leave it as it is and save and continue. And in the test data, you provide the sample data to verify your configuration. Make sure the inference data is same as the data that you used for training. I'm quickly going to write this part of sample data and validate against schema. You can see the test is valid, save and close. Then head over to use AI model. In the setup section, you will choose the category, that is tabular. Subcategory is going to be time series forecasting. Model is profit. Save and continue. And here we are going to save and close and click on run flow. And there you go. Wasn't that really easy? This inference flow is now ready to be converted into production ready API. In case you have any questions, feel free to check out our documentation or comment down below. Don't forget to follow us on all our social media channels. Thanks for watching.